How you doing?
We don't have a lot of organization just yet.
Ah, hey, that's
just hauling it all out.
That's what I like. I like it like that. Hello.
You want to know what that is?
Hey, what's up?
Yeah. And I have the little knee chargers too. Yeah, these things. They work wonders because I got my knee replaced, so I don't need them anymore. But they hook up electrically.
Yeah, I'm just the yard sale.
Yeah, those work real good.
Yeah. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'll let you know in a few. Yeah.
You got grandkids? I think what they do is Batman new? Yeah.
You know how much for the games and stuff?
I think she was saying $1 a piece.
Okay. All right. What about the PlayStation 2? You know?
Actually, make me an offer.
We got one joystick.
Yeah, just one joystick.
Just one joystick with it?
Yeah.
None of the cords. I don't know. Let's see. I'm actually interested in buying all the games in the PlayStation.
All right. You know what? I think this Diablo thing comes with it.
Okay, and this
Is
one
it?
too. Yeah, this is a game as well, I believe.
What in the hell is this?
Is that like this? I guess it's a set.
I guess. Do they even ever really opened it? What is this? My sons are grown now. Oh, it's just
Yes, actually the books that come with it in the demo. Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to do all this together,
Yeah, PlayStation and all the games.
what do you think? Is 25 fair? 20?
Yeah, let's
Let's do 20.
do 20. Okay.
Yeah, that way I don't have to pack it back up.
That'll work.
All right.
That'll work. Do 20. And I will continue to look. I'll give it to you now that way.
Is this all here? These are all games?
Yeah.
Now some of them...
I was gonna check to see if they was all in. I haven't checked to see. I know
I'm
sometimes.
thinking some are PlayStation 3.
Yeah, some are PlayStation 2
Okay.
and PlayStation 3 as well. But 20 is a great deal. I appreciate it.
Let me
Thank
get
you.
a bag for you.
Okay. I think I have to put that in there.
I need another bag.
No,
I'll get you
this will
another one.
work. That's a work, and I just carry the PlayStation.
You sure?
Yeah. I actually take it to the car now and I'll come back and continue to look. I appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Yeah. Probably tomorrow. Yeah.
Are you okay? I'm gonna go grab 2 more chairs.
Yeah.
Well, you better hurry. Because I'm gonna need to pee here soon too.
Probably tomorrow. Yeah. Who knows? Yeah. Yeah. Probably tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know. Mm-hmm. What's purses?
Purses?
Over there?
I had these listed for like, this one. I had them listed for like 20 online.
Okay.
But you can make me an offer on everything. Whatever you want. These are all barely used,
Okay.
obviously.
Yeah, they look pretty good.
I know it's hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not a yard seller. I'm like, I don't know how to price stuff.
I don't know what comes to mind for all of them right now.
What do you want? All 3 purses?
Yeah, if I did, yeah. If I got all 3 and then this
If you got everything?
Yeah.
65? 60?
That'll work.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fair.
That's a pretty good steal with those
Yeah,
purses.
it is.
I'm pretty sure you could probably sell them on eBay, but I'm too lazy.
Really? eBay does take a lot of work.
It takes too much work.
And
Or even the pie. If she wanted to resell any of them, I'm sure she could make more off that, but I'm just too lazy.
yeah, I know she likes. I remember her a while back. I remember seeing that when she liked that one, so I know she would definitely love that.
Good.
Let me see what I have here. I got.
Yeah,
50.
you can make some money off of them if you have the energy, but yeah, that's not what I have today.
Yeah, especially when you're trying. I overheard. I was. When you say y'all trying to move.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially when you're trying to move, and you're just trying to get rid of things.
Exactly. I'm like, if I just had time to sit around and sell stuff, I would do it, but no, not this girl.
Yeah, I understand that. Let's see if I have. I got my money's all messed up over here. There you go.
Thanks, sir.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. You need a bag or anything?
Oh no, I can carry it. There's no problem. I got one in the car.
Well, thank you.
Oh, no problem. No problem at all. Hope y'all sell everything. I know how it is. When you pull this stuff out, you don't want to pull it back in.
No,
You know?
I don't. I've been staring at it for like 3 weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so you've been playing it for a little while, man.
Well, I've just been piling it up.
Oh, okay.
That's as far as my planning went.
Right, I can understand that.
And then it was just a hot mess trying to get it out of this morning. We did a pretty good job considering.
Yeah, definitely.
In the dark. In the dark, yeah.
Yeah. YouTube, thank you for tuning back into the channel. I know it's been a minute. Your boy been grinding. I still been posting. I just got a lot of stuff to post, so I haven't been going to a lot of yard sales. But I went to one today, so you got a video. Let's see what we got. As y'all can see, the lady had a bunch of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I could have got more, but Y'all know how I am. I try to get, but I know it's going to sell. I got a lot of crap in my garage. I'm not trying to get more crap. You understand what I'm saying? And I could have spent more time, but I was tired. Just got off work. First thing is these games in this PlayStation 2. I got all these games. Well, let's go through some of these games real quick. A little closer. Of course, I know Pokemon. That's a good game. Dark Watch. I'm gonna look some of this stuff and put prices on the screen. Twisted Metal. It's a good one. Diablo. It's the PC version. Got some PS3 games. Borderlands. Call of Duty. Deadpool. Let me turn this stuff around. South Park. I mean, y'all can tell me too in the comments if I got any good ones. Which I'm gonna look all these up, so I guess y'all don't really have to tell me. Demon Souls. PlayStation 2 games. Mortal Kombat. I also got this PS2, which, let's plug it up to see if there's a game inside of here. That's what I love. When I get consoles, the thing I like to do is plug it up, first of all, to see if it works, and see if there's a game on the inside. So let's see. Oh, there is a game. Oh, Resident Evil 4. I got the case to that over here. What that is? Yeah, Resident Evil. I believe the case is over here somewhere. Yeah, right there. Yeah, so look, there we go. Anyway, I got all these games in this system, as y'all can tell, for $20. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna keep this PlayStation 2. I got another PlayStation 2 downstairs. As y'all know, I collect systems, and I'm trying to get all of them, but the grill is missing right there. So this is a good one. If it works, I'm gonna trade that one out and sell the other one that I have. So that's a good find for me. I got some purses too. These are Coach purses. Great condition. You know what I'm saying? Great condition Coach purses. I need to look some of these up. Where my phone at? I'm gonna look some of them up while we on the video. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take my time. Let's see what we got. Let's see. We're gonna do a what's that called? Google Lens. Okay, Poshmark's $50. Let's see what we got on eBay. eBay 60. Here's one for $60. Let's see. Someone selling one for $60 plus shipping. I got all three of these purses. This purse, this purse, this purse, and these two figures, which I'll get to in a few, for $60. You know what I'm saying? I could have talked her down. She pretty much told me to give her a price. But, you know, they gave me such a good deal on all the games and stuff like that, which I guess is a good deal. I don't even know what some of them games is worth. But that I decided to go ahead and accept her $60 and give her what she wants. So in all, I paid $80 for everything. So hopefully I have more than $80 worth of stuff here. Man, did I add it up? I spent quite a bit over there. I spent a lot. Google Lens, boom. Okay, one's on Shopify for $70. I don't know, I'll put something on the screen if I find it, just for time's sake. I guess this one on Shopify for $7, so this one gotta be a 50 or above purse. Then let's see what this little, what you call these things right here, little zipper type boy is going for. Poshmark. Everything's Poshmark. I need to give me a Poshmark open. Open me up a Poshmark. Somebody got one listed for $29.45, and if I find, and I do a little bit more detailed research and put the solds to these on the screen. Matter of fact, let me take a picture of these. I'm about to go to work, so I'm gonna take a picture of this one. Take a picture of this one. Take a picture of this one. So I can look it up when I get to work. Got these two boys, and like I said, with these three purses and these two, I paid $60 for it. This is old Beetlejuice, Toonie Terrors type deal. Let's see what this thing is going for. Toonie Terrace Beetlejuice figure. Okay, 20. Now let's go to the souls. Completed items. Oh, well, one just sold for $10. $14.99. 65, something different. 74 is two different things. Anyway, the ones who just sold, I see one went for $10, which somebody had a bid on that, so it wasn't a buy now. The one buy it now, no, it's a bid too for $14.99. So what I usually do, since these was, somebody said, I don't know why people do it nowadays. I guess if it's not that many on there, people think it's gonna get bid up. I might put this on here for $19.99 plus shipping, see what happens, throw a best offer on there. And if somebody shoots me $15, I'll take it. That's how you do that stuff. You understand what I'm saying? Straight up. Let's do a little Google lens on this dude. This is a Stranger Things, which my wife loves that show. In fact, let me say what it is, because Stranger Things, Netflix figure. I don't know. Nah, let's do Google Lens. I don't even know what the heck this is. All right, somebody got one listed for $56. Wait, Bronx. Dang. All right, somebody just sold one for $24.99 plus shipping. 25. Somebody sold one for $45 minus the shipping, but this is pretty big, so it's gonna take about maybe $15 to ship. Priority. 25, 20. Oh God, that one. No. About $25 for this. So $25 for this, $15 for this. What is that? That's $40 plus the purses. I'm coming a positive, but it wasn't a super deal, but you know, I get some money back. I don't know. So I spent $8 for this. I know a couple of them games is gonna go. 3 of those games I should get my money back. So I'm not really tripping. I know I'm gonna get my money back plus some, but we'll see. You spend $80 at the yard sale. I don't want to have to sell up 1,000 things just to make my money back, right? I want 1 or 2 things to make that money back, and the rest is just in the green. Which that could happen if I sell the purse and then a couple games, I get my money back, and then the rest is in the green. But I'll make a. It's okay. It's an okay deal, I guess. With all that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me let my dog in. There we go. Y'all be good. Peace.